Right, it's all gone a bit wrong. So if you saw when I was oiling, the cloth had a bit of black on it from this section. It rubbed off there. I came in here to sand it down. It just kept getting worse. It didn't look right. So we all make mistakes. And the easiest thing to do, I've got some scrap, 9mm this time. I'll cut the right size out. I'll glue it on top here, oil it. Nobody will ever know. Hopefully.